Hello friends, I am Sujit Kumar Singh from IP Texas School and we discuss today the Office scripting. Yeah, new feature in the Excel, in Microsoft Excel. First, we know about why need the Office scripting because already we have available the VBA programming in the Excel. We can create anything of automations, new features, new formulas using the VBA programming. So why need the Office scripting? So we have also used the VBA. VBA is a very good programming and also run in the Excel properly, no problem. But one have problem. VBA work only for our desktop application. Sometime we have using the MS Office, online MS Office. Yeah, this is the web version of the MS Office. And this is the cheapest and also using the every device, no need to do installations. So many features in this applications. But one problem here, your VBA programming not work here. If you have create any type of the VBA code in the with desktop applications and you want to run your web applications, your VBA code here can't run and can't work. So that time Microsoft introduced the Office scripting just like Google scripting and JavaScript. This is the Java scripting based code. Okay. Where is the we get? So you can see also desktop application one tab the automate and also you have used the online excels you can see here automate. So automate tab is the handling the scripting. So before the going further I give the some example of the Office scripting. How can I start? Just go to the Power Automate and click here New Script and create code editor. In the few seconds here Office script window coming here. And you can also click here and drag outside and click here the larger view. Click here for the larger view. And by default one program already here created, but we have deleted and write the on programming. So we have write here one example, autofill serial number. Autofill serial number. So function main workbook Excel script is defined and we have write here let. Let it means define just like dim. Sheet equal to workbook dot get by sheet. Get active sheet. Get active worksheet and bracket open. So bracket open and we have click here and close the our statement. So we have this sheet to load here sheets. You can also write here anything here, but sheet is the popular word, so we have using here. Now same we apply the for loop. For in the bracket let we have defined I equal to 0 and this is the start from 0 and I is less than 10 and the increment is the I plus plus just like JavaScript and also C plus plus. We have starting this square bracket and we are right here our code for the looping here. So in the course we have discussed also what is the loop and anything in the Google, in the Office scripting. If you learn the Office scripting, Google scripting like similar. So you can also learn automatically the Google scripting also. So Office scripting and Google scripting both are the based on the Java scripting. So we have right here sheet dot get cell and we are right here the row number 1 and column number 0 just like offset dot set value set value it means one value is, we have right here value. If you more than value then value is then I plus 1 because your I is starting from the 0 but I want to here 1 to 10. So right here and we have stopped the lining here. And now time to run. So this is the play button for the run a code. Click here. Your code will be run. But we are writing only for 10. Oh, sorry. We are mistaking here. We are writing the 1. We are writing the I here. Now, yeah, you can see 1 to 10. 1 to 10. We are writing here. Now, I want to hide. I have write here some numbers. So another example, we have also give. We have give that 1 to 2, 3, for example, they understand what will done with the office scripting and why better for the VBA, because VBA work only for the office desktop version, but your scripting work also the desktop version and also the web version. Okay, so now I want to highlight which value have a greater than 50. So we have right here code, we have replaced this code to sheet, and we have now defined to range. So let range range equal to sheet dot range get range, sorry, get range. And now we have right here the manual, but in futures you can also the automate. You have data increase, the range automatically increasing, and data will decrease, also decreasing. But this is the example. So we have right here a to a90. Okay, so our conditions will be applied on this range. Now let values equal to range dot length, no, sorry, range dot get values. Here think values s and bracket open close, and we have stopped the your lines. Now we apply the 4. Here is the right here, let I equal to 0 semicolon, I is less than equal to values dot length. Length means how many numbers, and we have right here I plus for the increment. Write the brackets right here. Now need to apply check the conditions. Okay. If values, and we write the I, and also this is the array symbol of the array is greater than 50, and we have also start the curly bracket for the if condition results. So range dot get cell, also same get cells, type right here our I the cell number. Now we write the I, last example we have mistake typing the one here, and now apply to format dot format bracket open close dot get fill get fill and bracket open and close dot set color, and we have right here color name green. And remember, Google's Office script is also case sensitive, so mind the small and caps. And this is the our program is ready. Now we have applied the conditions here. Line here is the error 9 number line. 9 it means 4. Let I equal to 0, I less than values dot length, and I plus. curly bracket open. So understand what is the error. Error, this is the I. Okay. So you will remember my cell is the till 19. Okay. A2 to till 19. It means 18 cells. And my I start from the 0. And 0 to 18, it means 19. So we have the problem. Okay. Because in the loop not have the 19 number. So what can do? We have just using the one method, we write here again values. Values and type here I and give the and concat the n%, multiple n%. Now you can see, and we have also changed the some numbers here. Now we have run. Okay, you can see here code is properly run and result will be appear. So we have apply the office scripting using the different model. Okay. Now we give the some basic examples. Okay. I think you have problem this understanding this problem. So we have right here. First we have declare the seat. Which seat? So let not do not require you write here seat. You can also write anything. So we have right here NS. It means new sheet equal to we write here because you can see here workbook. It means your file. So right here workbook dot add worksheet and we write here name report. Okay, and stop the bracket. Now we are writing here ns because new sheet here ns dot get range and type here the range a1 and we have right here set value. Set value it means type anything number, type anything values in the one particular cell. Right here IPT Excel school, and now we have run this code. You can see your new sheet report will be coming here. Also we can do the apply filter on data and apply also merge the copy the all set data in the one sheet. So many example coming here, but need to the learn the proper Google Sheet from the basic because this is the language. So you write the read the learn the like a languages like English, Hindi, Bangla, French, France, Spanish, like that. So you have learn from the basics. So if you want to learn with me, we have give the classes recorded also and also the online live classes. But recorded classes you get the daily basis the one recording after the enrollment. So if you want to see the our course content, go to the iptindia.com. Yeah, on Google you can search here Excel IPT Excel School. My website coming here iptindia.com. In my website you go to the course and bottom here the MS Office scripting here, Office scripting, Excel Office scripting writing. So here, so we can also give the classes on your desktop application coding and also the your web version coding application coding techniques. Both of what we learn in this course. So first module introductions. So what is the Office script and why we use, what is the benefit and what is the lossage and the Office script, the basic automation tasks using the Office script, conditions and looping, why apply the for, and why apply the why, if, and, or, like that. After we have created the function model scripting, writing the reusable functions, calling the function with the script parameters and return the value. Then module 6 be the data analysis and reporting, summarize the data using the script, automate the charts, dashboard, integrated the Power Automate. But Power Automate topic will be some little, because Power Automate is the big topics. So project automations with Office, daily report automation, task scheduler, Power Automate, create the auto mail reports, data cleaning the project, invoice reporting, and also the attendance sheet, dynamic dashboard scripting, the real world projects, and final assessment, some questions and Viva, and your certificate will be ready. So if you want to learn, please call and WhatsApp and enroll the classes. Thank you.